Hello everyone, this is Tom from China. I came from Dahua technology. This is our booth. Today I will introduce the digital whiteboard for you. Yeah, this is 65-inch interactive intelligent whiteboard, and it is best used in education and the conference industry. I can show you how to use that. So this one have two systems. One is Android and one is Windows. This is the note function. We can join everything here, and also we can do the paintings for our children, for our classmates, for whatever you like. Yeah, like that. And also I can show you what I have joined. I have joined here. So I think it would be liked by you, cause yeah, this picture is drawn by me. Yeah, this is the famous guys shown on our product, and also I prepared a nice drawing here. Hope you have a good day here. If you want more information, please visit our website. Thank you very much.